Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last episode, we removed hard coding using a config file. Cleaner already, right? But still, there is one big problem. Our driver setup. Right now, every script manually creates and quits the driver. Like WebDriver, driver equal to new Chrome driver method, driver.quit method. It repeated in every test and hard to switch between browsers. And honestly, it is just a mess. So today, we will build a driver manager class that take care of everything, setup, teardown, and even browser choices all in one place. Let's fix it. Inside our util package, we will create a new file name called drivermanager.java and paste this code. Here you can see we are using thread local. This helps when we run the test in parallel later. Each test gets its own browser instance. It is small change now, but it will pay off big when we scale. Next, we're going to test our driver manager. So what we will do is we'll go to our existing config.properties and add this new key. Browser is equal to Chrome. Now when we run the test, the driver manager will automatically set up the correct driver, open the chosen browser from the config file. Here we have mentioned as Chrome. So the Chrome browser will be open and maximize the window and close it cleanly when done. And switching browsers, we need to just change one word in the config file, nothing else. So now our framework is one step closer to being scalable and professional. No more scattered setup code. The driver is cleanly managed in one place. So I will see you on the next video where we introduce our page object model and remove weights. Yeah, thank you.